पिनू इज़ गोइंग कॉलेज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम और हम इसे ड्रॉप करने जा रहे हैं नॉरिच. नॉरिच इज़ 2 hours ड्राइव फ्रॉम लंडन and she has come for a student via student visa and she is going to do some course. Which course?
MSc in Global Public Health.
Yes. All the best. एंड हम उसको सेटल कराने जा रहे हैं. ये सब सामान वामान हमने भर लिया है. ये वेरी एक्साइटेड. यस कमिंग.
I got my TikTok.
TikTok, can you show me? Yes, that's lovely. And that's your host Ravina. Let's go Norwich. Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today is a really special one, especially for students who are heading to Norwich. So basically we are going to drop Himanshu's cousin who has just arrived in UK on student visa. She will be moving to the student flat, shared student flat. I will share the rent, I will share the details of the flat, and I thought it's a perfect chance to share a lot of useful information for all the students who are planning to come to UK for the study. We have now reached Norwich, which is a really lovely student city, calm, affordable compared to bigger cities like London, and it has 2 universities, the University of East Anglia UEA and the Norwich University of Arts, and the vibe is very student friendly. Most international students in the UK choose either university halls or shared houses or flats. Here my cousin has chosen a shared flat. Shared flats are cheaper and great way to make friends. Rents are usually between 400 to 600 pounds in Norwich. We have made it to the house. This is the house. पीछे जो दिख रहा है वो घर है. The tip for students is please check if bills are included when you're booking a house online. And you can check or you can book the houses online using websites like Spare Rooms and Rightmoves. There are also student WhatsApp and Facebook groups. Do check them out and make sure you're part of them. By the way, we have entered a wrong house. This is not the house we booked online. So we are again going to the correct house and I will give you a tour very soon. Now, since you're a student, let's quickly touch base on affordable shopping places in the UK. So as you can see on the screen, Aldi, Lidl, Asda, Tesco, these are the grocery options where you can find really good deals. Then there is Poundland, there is IKEA, there is B&M, which is also good places to shop if you are going for, household stuff. And students, please don't forget to download apps like Unidays and Totem, and they will give you student discounts on almost everything including food, clothing and tech. Okay, we have finally made it to the correct house. This is the house she booked online. The rent of this house I will tell you in a bit, so stay tuned in the vlog. But first, let's take a tour of this house. Moving into a new country can feel overwhelming, but trust me guys, every student goes through this. The first few weeks are about making the flat feel like home. हमें जो की मिली है वो उससे गेट नहीं खुल रहा है. अब एक चैलेंज है to find the right key. Hi. Let me give a quick tour of the house. Basically, as soon as you enter, this is a Victorian house, and as soon as you enter, you find a kitchen which is well equipped. In the old houses of UK, the washing machine is also in the kitchen, and then they have a gas stove. In this particular house, which weirdest thing is washroom is attached to the kitchen, which personally not something I am liking, but it is what it is for the price we have paid. Living area looks comfortable with a comfortable couch, a TV and everything, and usually the kitchens in Victorian houses are well equipped with cutlery and pans and everything, but this one looks empty. So it is always a good idea to ask your house manager or whosoever is renting to please let you know about the amenities they will be providing. ये वन ऑफ द रूम्स है. ये तो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. ये ले ले, कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. वॉशरूम के साथ है. हाँ, definitely had an upper hand because we are the first ones to reach the flat, so we can choose which room we want to live in. This is the first room. As you can see, furniture wise it is well equipped. It has study table, bed, everything. If you are coming as a student, all you need is a duvet, which is basically the quilt. We call it duvet in UK, and then pillows and some bed sheet. That's it for making you settle down in this house. Show me. वाओ, ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. स्पेशियस कितना है ये भी अच्छा है. ये स्टोरेज. वाओ, ये क्लोथ्स कबर्ड है यार. ये भी अच्छा है. हाँ ट्रू. दिखाना व्यू कैसा है. हाँ स्टोरेज सही है, डिसेंट है. दिखाना. हाँ ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है. हाँ पर वो ज़्यादा स्पेशियस है. हाँ. The cool thing about living in a Victorian house as a student is that you usually get a lot of space. As you can see, the rooms are so spacious, bigger rooms and high ceilings compared to modern flats of London. But since they are old buildings, you might notice things like, uneven floors or quirky layouts, like just one washroom for 4 rooms. I don't think it's a good idea, but it is what it is for Victorian houses. आई थिंक सबसे अच्छा मुझे तो नीचे वाला और ये वाला लगा. हाँ, आगे वाला ही रूम. ये वाला और नीचे वाला. मुझे तो नीचे वाला भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. स्टेयर्स बड़ी स्टीप है, ध्यान से आना. हाँ मिरर तीनों चारों रूम्स में. As promised, let me share the rent of this house. It's £400 per student and 4 students are sharing this house. And this includes the rent and everything like electricity and all the bills.
Hello.
My cousin is choosing which room to pick. I have some very important details to share, which is bank accounts. Guys, if you're students, as soon as you land, please open a bank account in Monzo, Revolt or HSBC. Monzo is the easiest. You just need to submit your passport and your video recording and they will create an account for you ASAP and even send a card. Then you can transfer your money from your Forex cards to the Monzo and start transactions very, very easily. Second is SIM card. Get a student-friendly plan from Voxy, EE or Libra. There's so many mobile vendors where you can get the SIM cards from. Then it's the part-time jobs. Student can work up to 20 hours per week and Norwich has opportunities in cafes, supermarkets and retail. And next important thing is registering yourself to a GP, which is a general practitioner, basically NHS. And NHS services are free with your student visa surcharge. घर वर check in कर लिया है. Now we have seen the place. Next up is we are going to explore Norwich. We will go to Norwich Castle and we'll explore the city center. Basically also guide her. She's a student, where to buy stuff and also initial जो चाहिए वो सब हम लेके देके जाएंगे so that she is well settled. She doesn't face any issues. Duvet, pillow covers, ये सब हम already सब ले चुके हैं. अब जाएंगे market. So without any further ado, let's go. This is the mall. ये यहाँ पे mall है. इधर सारा food court type है. Indian भी है, वागा मामा भी है, Greek भी है, Thai भी है. Basically all the cuisines are available. And how beautiful it is. In Norwich, there is a Norwich market which is super popular with students for street food and local produce at good prices. We will also visit that in the vlog. And then there is this Chapelfield shopping center which I just showed you, which has big brands, fashion and tech. And as I've mentioned before, download Uni Days or Totem to get offers on almost all the brands. फिर तू शॉपिंग करने यहीं आ जाना।
ये सिटी सेंटर ही है बेसिकली, इट्स गुड। 20 मिनट्स में ही हो।
हाँ हाँ, और इतना
It's a
अच्छा
good
है
city
ये,
center.
बहुत अच्छा सिटी सेंटर है। Is if you are new to UK and limited on the budget, Primark is your friend for shopping clothes, especially if you are into fashion and fast fashion and you don't have like a budget to spend on Zara and stuff. Primark has very good prices. Highly recommend this place for shopping for students. Getting around Norwich is pretty easy. Students mainly use buses and you can get a student bus pass for unlimited travel. And we have now reached Norwich Market. How colorful and vibrant this market is, giving full student vibes. And I am pretty sure this Norwich Market has prices slashed. So if you compare it to big cities like London, you will definitely find cheaper food options, cheaper clothing options. Very good for students. ये चैरिटी शॉप्स होती है ना, यहाँ पे भी बड़े कम प्राइसेस में मिलता है सब कुछ। There's always sale on charity shops. इतना प्यारा टाउन है ना, बहुत प्यारा है। ये नेल्स शॉप है, लव। Acrylic set is only 28 pounds and in London acrylic set is almost 45 pounds. So prices are definitely slashed. इतना प्यारा है। Beer garden. Norwich is known as a medieval city with a modern twist, as you can see. You have cobbled streets, old city walls, and of course Norwich Cathedral, which is 1000 years old. One cool fact is Norwich was actually England's first UNESCO City of Literature, thanks to its strong writing and arts culture. You know, most students live either near the University of East Anglia campus in the Golden Triangle or right in the city center. It's not a very big town, so in 15 minutes you can reach city center and in 15 minutes you can go to the university. I'm talking about Golden Triangle where Victorian houses are situated. So basically you can cover the entire town on foot, I think in half an hour or so. Sahara, Sahara. बहुत ही प्यारा टाउन है। Bombay Indian street food.
Slow down.
Now we have ordered very nice Indian food. Bombay थाली में आए हैं हम।
Yes.
और हमने वेजिटेरियन थाली ऑर्डर कर लिया है and we are very excited. Yay! And this is Asher. and Dad. Apple juice for Asher. बहुत अच्छा। These are the small streets of Norwich Market where you can get the bargain prices and very cheap street food, cheap clothing options, books options. So if you're a student, I highly recommend you coming here. I don't think you can ever get bored if you come to a place like Norwich to study. I mean, look at this. It's so colorful and it is so peaceful yet vibrant. There is a vibe to this place, guys. There was also an event going on. We were lucky to witness it. Basically, the US Army, which fought in World War II, is here to celebrate in this area. And they were doing dances and they had some, exhibitions. It was really, really nice.
मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि इधर लाइट्स क्यों नहीं है.
नहीं, जब रात हो जाएगी तो ये वाली लाइट्स भी एम्पल होंगी. अभी दिन है ना, इसलिए इतना पता नहीं चल रहा.
Let's go.
या लेट्स गो गाइस. चलिए मंजू. या बाय बाय.
Bye bye.
अपना ध्यान रखना. एक्साइटेड?
Happy. Yes.
एक्साइटेड?
Very much.
अभी किचन सेट कर ले. रात का डिनर का सीन तो है ही सेट, है ना. और वाईफाई लगवा लेना अगर नहीं होगा तो इंटरनेट पे. हाँ, एक दिन में आ जाता है वो. विद इन आई थिंक इमीडिएट भी हो जाता है वो तो, अगर राउटर होएगा तो. ओह, हु आर यू कॉलिंग?
Hello?
बाय बाय पिनू.
Where are you going?
We're going somewhere in the car. Hold my hand.
I will go with Bua.
Bua will stay here for some time. Then she'll come back.
She'll set the home for us.
Yeah, next time we come, then she can cook for us. Right, Bua?
Yes.
What will you make for us?
What's your favorite dish, Nisha?
बारिश हो रही है. अब हम वापस जा रहे हैं. बेसिकली हिमांशु की कज़न आई है यूके पढ़ने के लिए और उसको ही ड्रॉप करने हम आए थे. अब हम जा रहे हैं. We're going back.
Go back?
Yeah.
No, we're going somewhere in the car.
Somewhere
Yeah.
in the car. Yeah, that's
Somewhere in
right.
the car.
That's right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was a very useful vlog, especially for the students who are coming to UK. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye.